my first ever attempt at vlogging, which is probably going to be a disaster. But you guys said you wanted to see from me, videos from me. You wanted to, you guys said that you wanted to see videos, so we're attempting it. Today we are making a homemade pumpkin pie and we're making a really good sandwich. So I figured it would be a good opportunity to show you guys what is in our fridge. You ready? Ta-da! This is our fridge. We shop mostly from the farmer's market and Whole Foods and Costco, sometimes Trader Joe's, sometimes Publix. So yeah, this is it. Down here we have most, or I guess not most, because we're like stocked up on fruits and veggies today. But usually most of our fruits and veggies are down here. Right now we have lettuce from Costco so we can make tons of salads. We're going on a cruise in less than, what is it?
6 weeks.
6 weeks. And so we're trying to eat really healthy and like go to the gym and everything a lot, but you know, like we also bought stuff to make Alfredo today, so.
She loves her some Alfredo.
Yeah. So lettuce, we have zucchini from the farmer's market. We have tomatoes from the farmer's market, avocados, a big bag of carrots. The dogs love these. And here we have Brussels from the farmer's market. Then more lettuce. I think, what is this, frisee?
Yeah, that's frisee.
Frisee. And then, is this bib?
Yes.
And then we have a spring mix. Lots of salad.
A lot of salad, yeah.
Arugula.
I didn't realize we already had arugula.
Yeah. And then the drawer.
Cheese.
The king of drawers.
Cheese.
So we have, and I feel like we're like not stocked up on cheese right now. We're usually pretty stocked up on cheese because you know, goals. But we have mozzarella. We have Parmigiano Reggiano. We have feta. We have just some Kirkland sharp cheddar. Ooh, bacon. Hot dogs. You know, all the good stuff. I don't know how to put this all back in there. Okay, and then here's where we get fancy. We have some strawberries from the farmer's market. I don't even know how they had these because strawberries aren't in season right now, but they look really good. They tasted good too. We have these fancy green onions with my hair all over them.
Wash before cooking.
Yes. Yeah. We have muscadine grapes.
I'll take one of those.
I just spit everywhere. We have my favorite beets ever from Costco. Love beets. We have some broth, wine. Lots of how do you say this? Khalifa?
Wiz Khalifa.
We have lots of Wiz Khalifa Farm almond milk creamers. They sent me these to try them out. So we're like stocked up on those. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. Heavy whipping cream for
Alfredo.
No, I thought these were for pies.
One's for pie. One's for Alfredo.
Yeah.
You know, the essentials in life.
Yes. We have some turkey. Spindrifts, because you can never have too many sparkling waters. Pesto sauce for our sandwiches that we're making today. little leftover beet. Edamame. Some leftovers from when we went out to eat. Woo! Really good ones. Ooh, check these out. We have some carrots from the farmer's market. Don't those look so good? We have some little baby eggplants. I thought these looked really cute, so we got them. We have a bunch of banana peppers from our backyard. A lot of other crap back here. We have, oh gosh. We have our Siete Foods cheese dip, which is so good. If you guys haven't tried it and you have dairy intolerance, check it out. And then we have homemade elderberry syrup. We have some more lettuce. We have some Vital Farm eggs. Some eggs from the farmer's market, and then just some like random stuff. So, and a pumpkin, because that's what matters in fall, right? So yeah, that's all. Thanks for checking it out.